Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage ANC mode for the headphones Creative Zen Pro. You have to start by open Creative application. Now click on ambient control, and right now we can click here to enable ANC or click a button on the headphones to enable ANC. But what the best, we can control a level of ANC. So just move to the left to minimize this level and move to the right to increase this level. Let's see, I want a max, so I'm doing it on max. Also, it works with ambient at the same. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!